Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use QuickBooks for Airbnb. Now, if you are an Airbnb host or short-term rental owner, so QuickBooks can help you track the booking income, cleaning expenses, maintenance costs, and the profits all in one place. Okay, so we can learn on how to set up your Airbnb business in QuickBooks, add guest or booking platforms, you can create invoices for bookings, you can track property expenses, and of course, run your reports. Okay, so first is you have to create your account, of course. So just open any of your web browser. Okay, and then you just have to search for QuickBooks. That's right. Okay, and then you have this first website, so just simply tap on this one. After that, you just have to go to Philippine sites if you are from the Philippines, and if you are from US, then you just have to select the other option. Okay, so after that, you'd be directed to this page. Now, all you have to do here is to tap on the seat plans and the pricing, and then you would be directed to the section, and you'll be able to see here all of the plans. Okay, so currently I am using the simple start, but if you have a large scale of business, then you can proceed with the plus or the advance. Okay, so now let us proceed to our account. So after creating your account, subscribing to a plan, then you would be directed to this section. Okay, so now that we're here, the first thing that we are going to do is to proceed to the company settings. So tap on the settings option at the top. That's right, and then tap on the account and settings. So right here, you have to enter your business or host name, the address of your property, the contact information, and of course the tax details. So you have everything right here. So you just have to edit this section. Okay, so after that, you just have to close this one. So make sure to fill out all of those fields, and we will proceed to the chart of accounts. Okay, so let's go back to the settings once again. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you have here now your chart of accounts. Okay, so this one. So here, this where you organize your income and your expenses. So for an Airbnb business, the common categories include the income. So under the income, we have the Airbnb rental income, the cleaning fees, the extra guest fees, and for the expenses, we have the cleaning services, maintenance and repairs, utilities, internet and Wi-Fi, and then the property supplies. So now, for example, we are going to create for income. So under the income, so I'm just going to create a new account. So currently we have existent account right here. So for example, I'm just going to type it right here, cleaning fees. Okay, cleaning fees. And then I just have to select the account type. Of course, this is under the income. So select income for this one, and then tap on the save option. And then, of course, for the expenses, you can also add like cleaning services. So you just have to select expenses for the type, of course. Now, the next one is to add our customers. Okay, so to add your customers, so all you have to do here is just go to the customer hub and then tap on the customers. That's right. Okay, so you can add either individual or guests, like booking platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, or the VRBO. So to add a new customer, tap on the new customer option at the top. That's right. Okay, so for example, you just have to add their title, the first name of the customer, the middle name, and then the last name. Okay, so for example, you can add notes like 2-night stay, studio unit, or 3 guests, weekend booking. So you have the note here. Okay, after that, you just have to tap on the save option. Of course, you have to choose your payment method for this one. Okay, next is to create an invoice for bookings. So to do that, simply tap on the new option or the create option at the top left of your screen, and then tap on the invoice. Okay, and then after that, you just have to select the guest or the booking platform, and you just have to enter the booking details. Okay, so for example, we have this customer. That's right, and then we have this information right here. So for the item, like you can add Airbnb night stay. Okay, so for the product and service, so you just have to add a new right here. Okay, so of course, the quantity, the rate, and then the amount, and then your VAT. You can also add additional charges like cleaning fees. Example, like cleaning fee, and the price would be $40. So the QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total amount due, and then it can then send the invoice via email. So you have that right here, and then save it for booking records, and then you can also print that if you need it. So this helps keep the rental transaction organized and professional. Okay, next is to record the gas payments. So to do that, well, let's just close this section. So I'm just going to, not save this one. Just go to the create option and then go to the receive payments. That's right. So after that, you just have to choose the guest or platform and select the invoice being paid. Okay, so this is our customer. And then for the payment method, we have direct debit. And then here is the invoice. So you just have to select the invoice and you'll be able to see here now the amount to apply. And then if you would like to add a note, then you just have to go here and also add attachments. After that, you just have to save and close this section. Now, to monitor your rental profit, you can go to the reports section. Okay, so let me just close this section. And then let's go to the report. So you have the reports option right here at the left side of your screen. So tap on the reports. Okay, so here you just have to open the profit and the loss section. Okay, so we have profit and loss by customer or profit and loss by month. So I'm just going to select the profit and loss by month. That's right. So here, the report will show you the total Airbnb rental income, the total property expenses, your net profit, and for the Airbnb host, this helps you see how profitable your property is and your biggest expenses, your monthly rental income. Okay, so yeah, just have to go here and you have here a detailed report so that you'll be able to track if your business is doing really well. Okay, so and that's it. That's the basic way to use QuickBooks for an Airbnb business. Okay, so now you know how to set up your Airbnb business in QuickBooks. You can add guest or bookings platforms. You can create your booking expenses, booking invoices, track the property expenses. You can record your guest payments and monitor your rental profit. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.